Teachers are here pushing for primary four capacity, and I am so excited to welcome you all to our school open house today. I am thrilled to have you here to tour our school and meet our amazing teachers and see all the cool things we're learning. Growing up is like a big adventure. You learn new things, meet new people, and figure out who you are. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes it's tough, but it's always a journey. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. I love learning new things and sharing what I know with others. I think teaching is a really cool job because you get to help students learn and grow every day. Why I want to be a teacher? I like helping people understand new things. I think it's awesome to see students get excited when they learn something new. As a teacher, I get to teach lots of interesting subjects and help students with their questions. What I'm doing now. Right now, I'm learning lots of things in school. I'm trying my best to do well so I can be a good teacher one day. I like reading books and practicing explaining things to my friends and family. It's not always easy, but that's part of my adventure. I think being a teacher will be so much fun. I love learning hard from my students. Who knows, maybe one day I'll be sitting in front of a class teaching away. Thanks for listening to my dream.
Thank you, Lisa, for such a meaningful speech. So
You are now tuned in to the one and the only J-Hope. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. Now it's at your friends. You're killing me, girl. 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 I'm ready, gotta get some confetti, 'cause we gotta celebrate like it's your birthday. Looking like a journey from Korea to Miami. Oh, I wanna get with you in the worst way. You should be a crime if you look that fine. Girl, if you single, let me make you mine. On the earth, before it gets worse, I'ma really need first day. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. 10 out of 10, you're killing me, girl. Now it's like your friends, you're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. Yeah, I know that. You're killing me, girl.
Murder for hire, might go loud. Keep my foot up on my knees and my heels high. Might take it, man, and tell you, go take it to trial. I'm dead serious, bet she's alive. Bet it's getting inspired. Bottles getting pulled up, he must be a type. The way you trying to roll up, know it's getting high. They know I be killing it,